Seeing a no satellite signal message? If there's bad weather, that might be why. While you wait for it to stop, you can watch things you've downloaded or catch shows on the Sky Q app. If the weather's okay, check if anything's blocking your dish. If there isn't, restart your box. Switch it off at the plug. On the back of your box, tighten the dish cables and push in the HDMI cable at both ends. Turn the plug back on and follow the steps on your TV. You should be able to see all your channels. If you can't and you live in a flat, speak to your property manager. If you don't live in a flat, book an engineer here. Or get in touch here.